Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best craft kits are probably one of the most engaging and educational tools you can provide for young boys aged 6 to 8, offering a fantastic avenue for them to explore their creativity, develop fine motor skills, and learn new techniques through hands-on activities that are both fun and rewarding, making them an excellent choice for parents seeking enriching pastimes for their children. Number 5. ThinkFun Gravity Maze Logic Game. Spark your imagination and hone critical thinking skills. Tackle engineering challenges through play, fostering intellectual development in an immersive STEM experience. This innovative game merges fun and education, making it ideal for fostering classroom skills. Watch as your child becomes engrossed in strategic planning, both in school and at home. Open a world of construction possibilities as you solve marble puzzles that challenge your imagination. It includes everything you need for endless design possibilities. You'll love solving challenges and constructing complex runs with friends and family. This collaborative play builds communication and reasoning skills. It's a great birthday or holiday gift for kids who love logic games and creative problem solving. They will learn from this challenging, Montessori-friendly game. What we like. This is a fantastic option for kids who love puzzles and a good challenge. If you're looking for a way to boost problem-solving skills in a fun, engaging way, this is it. It's perfect for those who enjoy a good brain teaser and want to develop strategic thinking. What people say. This is a great kit for boys ages 6 to 8, it has a variety of projects that are engaging and fun. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for younger children. My son loved building the different models and was proud of his creations. Number 4. SUNGEMMERS DIY Gem Sticker Window Diamond Art Suncatcher Kits. Unleash your creativity with this all-in-one Suncatcher kit. Everything you need is included to create beautiful, sparkling window decorations that shine. Enjoy a fun and easy crafting experience without any mess. Simply peel and stick the colorful gems onto the templates to bring your designs to life. This engaging activity helps develop fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and color recognition. It's a wonderful way to encourage imaginative play. Looking for a unique gift? This kit is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion, providing hours of screen-free entertainment and a beautiful keepsake. Crafted with non-toxic, kid-friendly materials, this kit ensures safe and durable fun. The gems adhere beautifully, creating a vibrant stained glass effect. From the award-winning makers of Purple Ladybug, this kit guarantees quality and fun. Explore more exciting designs to continue the creative adventure. What we like. This is a wonderful choice for children who enjoy hands-on art projects without the mess. If you want a creative activity that enhances fine motor skills and results in a beautiful display piece, this is ideal. It's perfect for kids who love to stick, create, and decorate. What people say. The kit comes with a ton of sticky gems, like 6 to 7 colors, and each color has both large and small gems to use. The plastic templates are very durable and thick. It's easy to use and perfect for kids aged 5 to 12. Number 3. Titoclar Magic Water Marbling Paint Kit for Kids. Discover a magical new way to create art. Instead of traditional surfaces, you'll paint directly on water, transforming simple colors into stunning masterpieces. This kit provides everything you need for endless creative fun. Forget messy brushes. With this kit, kids can easily drip, swirl, and transfer vibrant designs onto various surfaces like eggs, cards, or even fabric. It's perfect for Easter, birthdays, or any occasion, bringing smiles and surprises. Our water marbling paint is safe, non-toxic, and environmentally friendly. While it requires a little patience to prepare the solution, the result is a rewarding and safe creative experience for children. Looking for a unique gift? This kit is an ideal present for any occasion, from Easter and Valentine's Day to birthdays and holidays. Children can create and proudly share their unique artwork with loved ones. This engaging craft kit is more than just fun, it's a fantastic STEM learning tool. It encourages creativity and problem solving, making it perfect for daily activities, classroom projects, and educational fun. From crafting Easter eggs to designing unique cards, the possibilities are limitless. This kit offers a unique and exciting way for children to express their creativity and make memorable art. What we like. This offers a truly unique artistic experience, perfect for kids who love to experiment with new art forms. If you're seeking a vibrant and imaginative craft that's different from traditional painting, this is a great pick. It's ideal for those who enjoy a bit of magic in their art and want to create stunning, swirled designs. What people say. This is a great kit for boys aged 6 to 8, with a variety of projects that are engaging and fun. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, making it simple for kids to complete the projects independently. The materials included in the kit are high quality and durable, ensuring that the finished products will last. Number 2. Creativity for Kids Grow and Glow Terrarium Kit. Discover the magic of nature and science with this exciting terrarium kit. It's a fun and engaging way to explore STEM concepts right at home. This all-in-one kit provides everything you need to build your own mini ecosystem. You'll get to craft, plant, water, and watch your creation come to life. By day, it's a vibrant garden. By night, it transforms into a glowing wonderland. Decorate it with special stickers and figurines for a magical nighttime display. Experience the joy of watching something grow. Your terrarium is guaranteed to sprout in just a few days, offering a rewarding and educational experience. Looking for a unique gift? This kit combines the fun of arts and crafts with the excitement of science, making it an ideal present for creative kids. It's more than just a craft, it's a learning adventure. This kit encourages creativity, responsibility, and a love for science in a playful way. What we like. This is an excellent choice for children fascinated by nature and science, offering a hands-on way to learn. If you're looking for a project that combines crafting with growing living things and adds a magical glow, this is it. It's perfect for kids who enjoy nurturing plants and creating a mini world that comes alive at night. What people say. It was easy to set up and came with everything needed to create an adorable little garden. The instructions were simple to follow, making it a perfect hands-on activity for kids. The seed sprouted quickly, and it's been so exciting watching the plants grow each day. The glow-in-the-dark stickers are a fun touch and make it extra special at night. This is a great product to teach your young child the hobby of planting things. It comes with all items needed to plant and grow a terrarium. The seeds in our kit began to grow in only 5 days. Number 1. Mazes for Kids Ages 4 to 8 Activity Book. Looking for a fun and engaging activity for your child? This maze book is perfect for kids aged 4 to 8. It offers hours of entertainment and learning. Help your child boost their critical thinking and problem-solving abilities. Navigating through these mazes encourages focus and strategic planning. Designed with 2 age groups in mind, 4 to 6 and 6 to 8, the challenges are tailored to suit their developmental stages. It's a great way to keep them occupied and learning. This workbook isn't just about mazes, it's a comprehensive activity book. It includes various puzzles and games that stimulate young minds. Keep your little ones entertained and learning with this engaging workbook. It provides a screen-free way to develop essential cognitive skills. Surprise a child with this fantastic activity book. It's an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or just because, offering both fun and educational value. What we like. This is a straightforward and effective option for kids who enjoy the simple satisfaction of solving mazes. If you're looking for a screen-free activity that sharpens focus and problem-solving skills, this book is a great choice. It's perfect for children who love a good challenge and enjoy working through puzzles at their own pace. What people say. They make him think and strategize. A good learning tool as they range from not too difficult to really having to think. This book did not disappoint. We had a 13-hour car ride, and besides iPad, this book was the thing she used and requested the most. It includes 60 mazes total with an answer key at the end. Seems like the easier ones are at the beginning and the more challenging ones are towards the end, like the last 10 mazes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.